Hey everyone, it's Brian with GreyWolf again. So today's video is just going to be a simple one based on our little Ryzen 3 build that we're working on. Today we're going to do the memory installation and show you how simple that is to do. So for this, we're not going to need any tools. We're just going to need the motherboard and our RAM kit. So now with the RAM, all you're going to need to do, take your sticks of RAM. Now this particular kit is a 2-stick kit. Sometimes you only get 1 stick, sometimes you get 2 or even 4. So what we're going to do is we're going to line up the notch with the RAM. So we're going to line up the notch with the RAM. Looks like it's going to go this way. So we just make sure the clips are open. We take the RAM, we put it into the slot, and then we just press down on both sides until it clicks into place. And we just do that with both sticks of our RAM. And then that will end the RAM installation for this system. So for this video, I'll go ahead and say thank you for watching. Hit the like button if you enjoyed the content or if you found it educational. And then, as always, hit the subscribe button to keep up to date. And if you have a question or a comment, leave it down below for me or the channel or the hardware that's involved in this. So thanks for watching. Have a great day, everyone. Bye for now.